Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for smart product recommendations and real-world performance insights. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best yoga mat for beginners looking for comfort, grip, and style. The Gaiam Yoga Mat Premium Print Extra Thick Non-Slip Mat in the beautiful metallic bronze medallion design. Whether you're starting your yoga journey or looking to upgrade from a basic mat, this one ticks all the right boxes. Right out of the package, the first thing you'll notice is the stunning metallic print. It's not just a mat, it's a motivational accessory that invites you to roll it out and get moving. But aesthetics are just the beginning. This Gaiam mat measures 68 inches long and 24 inches wide, which fits most body types comfortably. It's a full 6 mm thick, offering ample cushioning to protect your joints during yoga, Pilates, or any floor workouts. That extra padding makes a noticeable difference, especially during poses where knees, elbows, or wrists bear weight. It's an especially great feature for beginners, who often need a bit more support as they build strength and flexibility. Let's talk about grip, arguably the most important feature of any yoga mat. The Gaiam Premium Print Mat has a sticky, textured surface designed to prevent slipping. Whether you're holding downward dog or flowing through a vinyasa sequence, this mat helps you stay grounded. The non-slip texture ensures excellent traction, which builds confidence and keeps your focus where it should be, on your breath and form, not on whether you're about to slide out of a pose. What's equally impressive is its durability and weight. Despite being thick, the mat is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to carry to class, the park, or even while traveling. It's also made from PVC material that is 6P free, meaning it's free of 6 harmful phthalate, DEHP, DBP, BBP, DINP, DIDP, and DNOP. So you're not just doing something good for your body, you're also being kind to the environment. Another bonus. Each purchase includes a free downloadable yoga class. That's a great added value, especially for beginners who want guided sessions to get started or practice at home. It's like having your own personal yoga instructor in your pocket. One small note. As with many PVC mats, there may be a strong smell when you first unwrap it. But don't worry, it's harmless and typically fades after airing it out for 2 to 3 days. Now for international buyers, especially those in India, this mat is available for shipping, though import charges apply. Still, with its quality, features, and Amazon's delivery reliability, it's a worthwhile investment. So to sum it up, the Gaiam Yoga Mat Premium Print Extra Thick Non-Slip Mat is a beginner-friendly, joint-friendly, and visually appealing yoga mat that doesn't compromise on performance. It delivers where it matters: comfort, stability, and sustainability. If you're ready to commit to your fitness journey, with a product that supports and inspires you every step of the way, this Gaiam mat is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth review. Namaste.